everybody, namaste and welcome to my channel and to this video. I want to wish you still a beautiful new year 2022, that it may be a year full of light, love, good health, and last but not least, loads of fun playing mantras on the ukulele. I'm sorry I didn't post that much lately, but that had a reason, because I published a child book named Horizon Stories. It happened because my father, who passed away 7 years ago, made me do a promise on his bed of death that I would bundle all my stories that I wrote for the child yoga classes into a book. I wrote at that time, thematic stories with life lessons, and my father told me, I think a lot of, children can have support because of these stories. So I promised him that, and last year in October 2021, the book came out, and it was an amazing time, and a lot of presentations, and it was beautiful. I really made the promise happen to my father, and it's in Dutch, and you can find it on my website sunita.com. And that's the reason why I didn't make so much tutorials, because my focus was fully on the book. Today, the 12th of January, is the day that my father left his body. And that's why I recorded also this mantra, I am light, because it's a beautiful one from INDIA ARIE. And let me know if you want me to make a tutorial out of this mantra, because I just first wanted to play it, because this day is special. And also because I think an hour ago I brought my husband to the hospital, because before Christmas they found out that he had a blockage in a main artery, and today he's got this little surgery, like a catheterization, and they're going to see what they can do about it. So please send me light also, and him light, so that he can be helped in the most easiest way. Now that I said all of this, I wanted to play the mantra or the song I Am Light. So enjoy, and let me know if you love this song and if you want me to make a tutorial out of it. The things my family did, or any of the voices in my head. I am not the pieces of the brokenness inside. I am light. And last but not least, we have a new one in the house, in the family, Shambo. This is Shambo, guys. It's a little kitten, he's 3 months old, and probably you will see him also once in a while jumping around when I make tutorials. So, that all said, wish you a beautiful day again, and speak to you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye, Shambo. Ciao, ciao. Bye, guys. Bye bye. Wish you a lovely day.